I take a picture? Like to take a picture.
Who are you? I don't know you.
You don't?
No, I don't know you.
I'm Heather.
Oh.
I thought you did know me.
That's why we do confirmation calls.
I just wanted a picture of your sign.
Don't tell you, huh?
Take a picture of the sign. Yeah, no.
I'll contact you.
I thought hi.
How you doing? Are you, do you know which side you're supposed to be at?
I'm not picking sides.
Oh, okay. I don't know if we've had...
I'm not on a side. I'm Heather.
I'm Vince. Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How are you?
Hey.
Yeah, we're Occupy and they're the Free Staters, and we've had...
No, we're Occupy too. I'm one of the admins.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
I know what you meant.
That's why I was like, people getting all weird when I walk over.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay.
Yeah.
I didn't know that that's how we were, and I'm like actually shaking by the reception I got because that's...
Over there?
No, over here when I walked over here.
Oh.
I'm shocked actually.
Mark can fill you in on the details.
Yeah,
The schism.
yeah, I'd like that.
Yeah, absolutely.
I'd like for somebody to fill me in.
Yeah, I'll...
Because that was really odd.
Just now?
Yeah, I walked over and she's like, who are you? I don't know you. And the girl, she covered up her face. And
Which car?
I'm shutting all of them off.
I thought I recognized her with the purple.
Red shirt?
Yeah,
Julia?
yeah, Julia Ryber Pitt, right? We're friends on Facebook. And she's like, who are you? I don't know you.
I was caught up in reading it.
Yeah, just now. And I was like, I guess we're not friends.
Hey, Mark.
Hi.
Tell Mark what you just told me.
Yeah, I just walked over and Julia, who's a Facebook friend of mine, was like, who are you? I don't know you. Why are you coming
Yeah,
over
she
here?
thought
Why
you might
are
be one of them. That we don't want
One of
anything to do with
them?
them. Those are them and us now.
Why is it them and us?
Well, basically, there's the majority here feel that. Well, no. Yeah, so you can shut it off. We're having a personal conversation, so you can shut it off if you don't mind.
Okay. I'll shut it off.